Yo, what's good? It's your man, Mr. ID, representing all 5 sectors of the Pinnacle, Jersey City. And I got some treats from my brother BMO. He sent me slaps and a little Art Primo package here. I'm gonna open the package first because I'm looking forward to see what's inside this bitch. There was some question to whether it arrived, but these cats actually put it inside my mailbox, even though they said they put it on the ground. Whatever. As long as I got it, because they do have a tendency of just leaving shit on the ground, and that never works. Because people love taking packages where I live. All right. Oh man, I don't want to show. Whatever. All right. I didn't want to show like addresses or whatever. Okay. Well, first and foremost, I got some Art Primo stickers, and let's see what the stickers are first. It's a hobo sticker, as you can see. The classic Art Primo graffiti one. I have about 10 of them, and the squeezer one as well. I have an abundance of those as well. All right, and in there was a New York Fat and the orange dot. Don't know what the orange dot is. I guess I'll find out. I'll use the bitch. Oh my god. Can you see it? Because it looks really glary in this car. I don't get it. Oh, maybe because the sun is out. And a New York Fat. That's clearly a New York Fat. I'll set that to the side. Lego caps. I always thought these were just New York Fat caps, colored yellow, but the line is different. The line is a little different than a New York Fat, and I like them. I like them a lot. I actually outlined the piece, the one I did in Harlem, the Preserve Life piece. That's outlined in Lego caps. Because up to that point, I didn't know about the yellow universal caps. Oh, and then I got some markers. Yo, wow, man. BMO, you're the motherfucking man, dude. Real talk. Killer Shark on Instagram. Give him a follow, bro. Give him a follow. I mean, I would have never bought these markers, so I like it because I get to try shit that I never would have got. Press and go. Art Primo press and go marker. This glare is killing me. Really dope. Really dope. Does it come with liquid in it though? I have no idea. I don't know. I'll find out, I guess. This looks like something. Oh wow, One for All acrylic marker. Fat boy though. This is a 1.5 to 4 millimeter. Yeah, I would have never bought this because I use these for black books, so I would have never bought it this fat because I like thin lines. That's my thing. But wow, really dope. I do not have black, so that works out well. I have an Art Primo solid paint marker. Oh, in pink? Yeah. Oh my god. It's actually magenta, but you know. Wow. Oh, but act the fuck up with this marker! Oh my god. A bullet marker. I had one of these in blue. This looks like a silver. Yeah, silver. Which I use too for my black book action, but you could use it in the streets, I guess. Yeah, definitely. And the piece de resistance. A 10 millimeter chisel, alcohol based ink marker. The color's violet, clearly. alcohol-based ink marker, 10 millimeter. Fuck you. This is gonna be fire. And of course, there's people doing things. I'm about ready to use this bitch right now in daylight. I do not give a fuck. And some slaps, I think, in here. Oh, Acme paint, which I have recently seen in use. Pretty good. What do you call that? Like, God, I'm brain farting right now. For to save money paint, you know, a good paint but low money, you know. God, I can't believe I'm fucking brain farting like that. It's early, dude. It's 7:50 in the morning. And apparently I have corona. I'm only fucking around. Yeah, I seen the Acme paint in use, and it's a great marker. I mean, it's a great paint for the price. You know, utility paint. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but it's fucking good. You know what's even better? These fucking markers, man. Good looking out, my dude. You're the motherfucking man, B. You are the motherfucking man. This is a treat beyond what I could have ever hoped. Thank you. Yeah. So that's a thing. And then, what I got? Oh, slapolas. A nice thick parchment of slaps. Let's see what's in here. Oh man. Got baby ones, got large ones. What's going on? All right. Agile. Pretty dope. Little slap. Baby slapola. Wow, I don't want to drop any of this. Okay. Aloha stickers. You know, write your name on them. Instead of hello, it says aloha. That's pretty dope. What's this? Licensed gynecologist. To illest Lovelace. Adhesive killers. Looks like it says day or DOS. I want to put it close, but the stupid glare is not helping. Okay, we got some name badges here. He is not fucking around. He sent me a bunch of hello ones. Blank hello ones. That's always good. I love taggers. Art Primo. Some more Art Primo blanks. A few here. Oh, here we go again. Day. I hope that says day. Now, as you guys know, historically, I'm really bad at reading fucking tags. For as long as I've been doing it, I still have problems reading it. Ooh, look. Boxcar tags. That's fucking dope, dude. Oh, Art Primo bombers. This one is fucking. Wow. Love the letter. Wild style. Love it. I love taggers again. There's a lot, so be patient. Oh, this one says Ida. You gotta see it. I like the one that's the eye. That's pretty dope. Acme paint. Oh, I just got a few of these. And one of them laced with BMO's tag himself. All right.